The 42nd participant in the Silva challenge is Ben of the BP Custom Creations YouTube channel. Now, Ben's a good friend, and Ben said in a message to me on this, "Don't take it easy on me." Oh, I wasn't going to, but now I feel I have permission to be flat out cruel, and I'm going to be. I've kind of curated what I want to give to him. So let's start with the castings. I've tried to pick out things that are difficult. I think will be difficult to work with. Start off with a Matchbox PT Cruiser. Like, nothing screams post-apocalyptic survival than a PT Cruiser, right? Oh, you'll need an ambulance. This is a Matchbox ambulance from, looks like 1977. No back doors on there, but at least it has the lights. The Hollinator. Oh, this has a special feature. This is a Hot Wheels. Oh, I'm so happy to see this go. This is, the name's on it here somewhere now, yeah. Tricera Truck by Hot Wheels. Oh, yeah. There's some things that are just funky, like the exotic Hot Wheels. Maybe you'll come up with something cool for that, possibly. This is the Sidekick. Again, another special feature. Oh, look. The seat. I don't know if you can see that. The seat pops out of the side. Very reminiscent of an old Redline that does the same thing. This is kind of cool. The Torpedo by Hot Wheels. That's not a terrible casting, is it? Eesh. The Split Decision by Hot Wheels. Yeah, I had absolutely no split decision in getting rid of that. The Fast Cash Money Clip car, which I think the money clip part can pop off of there easy enough. Then it might be kind of cool. I was thinking of gas landing one of these myself. I have one that the clip is already off of. I'm giving you the full feature version here to work with. But it's kind of a cool casting otherwise. A real tow truck. This is, doesn't say, but it's a Hot Wheels rescue rig. It's the box I used. For those who don't know, Ben is located in Japan. And so I don't use the regular U.S. Priority Mail box. I use a very similar, just plain box for international shipping. Same size. This is designed by Tom Mead. Don't know what it is. Almost looks Corvette based in a way, if I had to guess. And then finally, two cars that scream post-apocalyptic mayhem, a cool combi. Yeah, I know. Why not? And of course, a Matchbox Mercedes-Benz wagon. Yeah, why not? So those are the castings. Now, I figure Ben can 3D print any parts that he wants. So I'm going to give him parts that he doesn't want. And they aren't 3D printed. Like, this is just a blue clear piece of plastic, a few wire nuts. These are actually kind of cool. These, some of you will recognize on cars for fitting panels. And you know how the like interior panels and stuff. I suppose this could be like some kind of a ray gun I don't know, but there's all kinds of cool ones here. Here's those things that you hammer into the wall, and then you put a screw in them and they expand. I'm sure you can do something with those. How about some people? Yes, here's a couple little people. Why, don't they look like post-apocalyptic survivors? Just, I don't even think you need to paint them or anything. They just, yeah. Oh, Ben, if you're watching, I don't know if you're having fun, but I sure am. How about some wheels? I think those are off of K7. These could be cool. I don't know what these are off of. And that looks particularly festive. But, yeah. Oh, part of a fence. Almost looks like a merry-go-round kind of thing. Or a little motor with a gear. Oh, and there's even like there's a free screw included in there. Yeah, a little motor with gears. Yeah. The bottom of an HO scale train car. Parts off of Hot Wheels builds. It looks like that's the front of a Matchbox hearse, possibly. Be careful, some edges may be sharp in here. Bed off of something. Bed off of Hot Wheels pickup, I believe. Yeah, probably. That's off a cool combi. How about it looks like a socket with some wires attached. This is kind of cool. This has like a lens on it with a little plug. Oh yeah, you can see it's like a magnifying lens. Spring. Solid piece of threaded metal. Part of a bone shaker. Zip ties. You have to have zip ties. Everybody needs zip ties. And if you have zip ties, you got to have the zip tie hold downs. These things are cool. In case you don't know about these, I'll throw that one in there. It has double-sided tape on one side. You stick it down, and then you run a zip tie through it, and that way you can fasten cables down and stuff. Those come in really handy a lot of times. Something from my old profession, paper clips and binder clip. A heat sink. Come on, everybody needs a heat sink. A clothespin. Just 'cause. Something from a key ring. And a knob, wheels, something. Yeah, a bunch of crap. So, there you have it. Oh, Ben, aren't you glad I didn't take it easy on you? Have fun with this. I am really anxious to see which castings you choose to do and what you choose to do with them. Oh, look, there's a bobbin spool. Most of all, have fun with this. And if you have half as much fun assembling something as I did boxing this up, that's all I can ask for. So have fun. I'm going to send it out. Everybody, thanks for watching these videos. I hope you're going to look forward to what Ben builds just as much as I am. Everyone stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.